Today I'm doing a kind of, to be honest, I'm not really sure what it is. It's something to do with a vegetable patch, either making it bigger or smaller, but as far as I'm aware it's cutting out some turf and moving that turf to another area. So she's told me about it, but I haven't sort of seen it. I kind of can picture where it is. So anyway, we're going to go and do that. Who knows what it is. I've just got a load of tools and we'll hope for the best. So I'm now at the client's property and this is the job. So the client is saying, I don't know what this is, vegetable patch or something. Who knows? But she's basically saying that she can't get anything to grow in this kind of first 2 foot or so. So what she wants is basically this soil just mounded up there, and then this section of turf marked to sort of where I've scuffed a mark there. I'll obviously measure it properly. That turf taken out and lifted into here, so that this carries on turf to roughly there, and then this bit here will be vegetable patch or flower bed or whatever it is, and then this section remaining should be 2 passes of her hater mower roughly. So yeah, that's the job. So a few hours later, the job's all done. So I've basically cut that turf out from there, lifted it over to this side, bedded it all in, and then just turned that bit over for the client, and her and her gardener or whatever are gonna sort this mound out.